Welcome to the Silver Streak. Sit up straight, keep your feet on the floor and hands on the bar. Here we go. Okay, gang, what do you say? Do you want to go faster? If you want to go faster, you've got to get louder. Hold on tight. Here we go. Non-stop to the top.
Yay, got it! You're okay. You're okay. Just smile, buddy. There you go.
I can't hear you.
Gotta go backwards.
Okay, we're gonna slow you down, turn you around, and send you back the other way. If you want to go faster, you gotta get louder. Hold on tight, here we go. Non-stop to the top.
Where you going, Johnny?